Did the Democratic Party in California effectively kill CalCare? And if yes, why? For those who don't know, the California Nurses Association has been working for years to try to get single payer in the state of California. And this bill that they're talking about here, CalCare AB 1900, is the bill for this year's cycle that they were trying to get through the Assembly Health Committee. So I have to say, as an advocate and also a resident of the state of California, I actually agree. Why are we hearing this bill right now? Now, that may make some people mad because you don't understand. In order for single payer to happen in the state of California, many different things have to go into play. One of the large ones being that we have to go to the federal government and ask them for all of the funds for Medi-Cal, which is our Medicaid in California, Medicare, and the Affordable Care Act to go into our single payer system. And do we think at this particular moment that the federal government is going to do that for the state of California? Part of the reason why potentially this bill was shot down this cycle is because the projected cost of this is $500 billion, which is about double the budget in the state of California. One of the other large problems that I have had with this bill following it, as well as trying to interface with the California Nurses Association, is the fact that patients were not involved in the development of this huge bill that will change everything that we have to deal with as patients in the state of California. So, do I think single payers shouldn't come to California? No, I think that everybody should have basic universal health care. It's absolutely ridiculous that we don't in the United States. And considering California is the largest state, we're probably the one that's going to maybe eventually do it. But under this current administration in the federal government, this is not going to happen. Therefore, at this point, I understand why the Assembly Health Committee is not moving forward. A lot of stuff in this bill has a lot of problems. And you can go back, I think it was last year, they did a special session where the entire Assembly Health Committee listened to arguments for and against, and they had a very large and robust discussion for an hour and a half, 2 hours. And there were a lot of problems that were brought up that were not addressed when the bill was put around this for the second time. So don't think that single payer is not coming to California. This bill is not going to get pushed through in this session, but that doesn't mean that you can't still advocate for single payer as we move forward. But I highly encourage you, if you are a patient, to start contacting the California Nurses Association to actually get the patient voice into this bill because it is not there.